Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Access Protocol token. Now the Access Protocol token is being listed today on a central exchange, a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ACS is the ticker symbol for this token. The Access Protocol token is being listed today, February 15th, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT, because that's what it's paired with. Go into the trade section, search ACS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, this token actually got listed today, I believe, on it could be today or within the next day or two on another central exchange called Hotbit Global. So you can also get this token on Hotbit, and I do also have a Hotbit referral code down there as well. So they're both good exchanges in different ways. Hotbit, you could stake tokens, put into DeFi farm pools, lockups. You can get high APY on a lot of tokens. I find Mexc Global has really low transaction fees compared to other exchanges. CoinEx is another one that I really like that has a low transaction fee, so check out that CoinEx referral code as well. But yeah, that's where this token is being listed today on Mexc Global, and yeah, either today or within the next couple days on Hotbit as well. So if you want to find more information about Access Protocol, go to their Twitter at Access Protocol. They have 278 tweets, 67,600 Twitter followers. Their Twitter is about a year old. They joined January 2022. They have a Discord on there as well. They have creator inquiries. It says reinventing content monetization, realigning the creator and consumer relationship. So check that Twitter out. If you want to find more information, head over to their webpage as well, accessprotocol.co. They have an app over there that you can check out. They have a newsletter you could subscribe to, frequently asked questions, how it works for creators. It says reinventing content monetization. Access Protocol offers a new model monetization layer for all digital content creators by integrating Access Protocol onto their site. Creators can paywall and enable premium content to their supporters. Creators joining Access here, it says CoinGecko, Crypto Slate, Woo Blockchain, Crypto Briefing, The Block, and it says they've been seen in different news articles like CoinPost, Axios, Fortune, etc. There's a bunch of them listed on here. They have Medium articles you could check out. You could also, yeah, just click on for creators, and it says join Access Protocol as a creator. Creating a new fee generation stream. ACS rewards split between users and creators incentivizes creators to produce valuable content for the audience. In turn, consumers are rewarded for supporting their favorite creators and publications. Ultimately, this enables all digital media companies to prioritize user experience and realigns creator incentives. Increase the number of fee-generating users. Consumers can seamlessly access paywalled content by connecting their wallets and locking ACS in a creator pool in perpetuity with a single click. No credit cards, no sign-up, minimal friction. In the B2C subscription world, most digital media companies maintain less than a 0.5% audience penetration rate. Web3 has introduced a seamless way to intertwine on-chain identity with new products and services. So it's got significant increase in user lifetime value, LTV, while Access Protocol allows creators to set the minimum threshold for ACS locked in a particular pool. It does not have a limit on the maximum number of tokens locked. This creates the ability for a super supporter to pledge well above the minimum threshold, resulting in higher revenue per users, decreased likelihood of churn, and higher user LTV. It's got a multi-dimensional platform for audience engagement. The Access Creator dashboard will provide visibility into which users are the most loyal and long-standing supporters, layering in value adds strategies such as NFT drops, access to exclusive events, bonus features for super supporters, and other incentives further strengthens the relationship between the creator and consumer. So that's what this project is all about here. Now, how it works, it says subscriptions reimagined. Access creates new user incentives through the ACS locking. So ACS locking, users subscribe to creator pools with the ACS token, unlocking a set of content or services determined by the creator. In addition to receiving content, when you subscribe to a creator pool, both you and the creator split a daily reward. So the key difference between Access subscriptions and average subscriptions is as a user, you retain ownership of your tokens or your ability to subscribe. So you can unlock in this system, you can stay in a pool as long as or as little as you like, eliminating the need to jump through hoops to cancel your subscription or worry about renewal dates. And there's a 2% fee in order to subscribe to a creator. You pay a 2% fee. So be sure to understand their offering beforehand. This fee is burned or removed from the total circulation of ACS tokens. Within the ecosystem, you can use the protocol reward to contribute more ACS to your existing creator or discover other creators in the ecosystem and subscribe to their content offerings, all via the Access Content Hub. Access incentive users to support their favorite creators while gaining the ability to consume more content over time. So you can check all this out. You can go over the frequently asked questions, review the app. But yeah, this token is getting listed today on Mexc Global and Hotbit Global as well. So check out both of those referral codes. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!